Amazing results from using hydrogen peroxide to clean ears. Hear better, clear your head, relief from colds, flu, and allergies, better focus. I can't stop smiling. My grandma was told her hearing loss was due to her age, she's 92, and there was nothing that could be done. So I helped her use hydrogen peroxide to clean her ears. After the first time, she couldn't believe how much better she could hear. After the second, it got even better. We'll be doing it a third time very soon. Dr. Richard Simmons discovered that because peroxide is an all-natural and effective mild antiseptic, it can provide both prevention and relief from the common cold and flu when used within the ear. Step 1. Gather your 3% bottle of hydrogen peroxide, medicine dropper, tissue paper, and a towel. Step 2. Fill your medicine dropper with peroxide. Step 3. While laying on your side or tilting your head with the affected ear facing up, put a few drops of hydrogen peroxide in only one ear at a time. You will experience loud bubbling and cracking sounds due to the oxidation process. Step 4. Stay in the same position for 5 to 10 minutes. Step 5. Gently put some tissue paper or a cotton ball in your ear and tilt your head the opposite way to catch any drainage or excess peroxide. Step 6. Repeat with the other ear by adding a few drops into the ear canal and following the same process. If this helped you, please tell us about it in the comments section. You can do this 2 or 3 times a week for the first time. After that, only once a week or less is recommended. Please remember, number 1, use only the 3% hydrogen peroxide. Number 2, do not leave it in ears for more than 10 minutes max. Number 3, don't do it too often as it will cause painful drying out of the inner ear. Number 4, as with anything, use common sense and remember, you do this at your own risk. The first time I tried this, I could not believe what happened. My head became clear, my focus was better, and I could hear in clear stereo. I didn't even know I had these problems until they were gone. Please note, I am not a medical doctor, and if you're using hydrogen peroxide in your ears, you do so at your own risk. Please leave a like and subscribe. It helps so much to grow our new channel, and we will continue to post new videos that promote a healthy body and mind. Thank you.